So let's move on to class. So last class we discussed, right? So how to create subnet and how to create VPC Terraform. Right? Can you see my screen? My screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. So last class mostly we focused on. So I hope you have some idea. So how to VPC with Terraform, how to create subnet, and how to create IGW, and how to create RT route table, and how to attach and all, and how to create a security group, and key and all. So just already and so these are some basics manually how we are creating infrastructure in AWS, how we are creating infrastructure in AWS, and same thing with the help of Terraform. With the help of Terraform, we are going to we created with the help of Terraform script. We created entire infrastructure. Both are same only. Instead of creating manually, just we implemented one script, and with the help of the script, we created all these resources in AWS. So here mostly right, resource one is provider, one is provider. So one is provider. Here we are giving which provider we want to connect, whether you want to connect AWS or GCP or Azure, whatever you want. So there is mostly we are using two two blocks, right? One is provider block, another one is resource block. This is the main. So this is the resource block, and so here we can give resource name, and local name, and whatever we want, so we can add it. We can add so many resources. There is no restrictions how many resources you want, so that and all we are going to add. Now we have some idea. Already last class we created this and all, right? Today we see, today we'll see some of so already resource block and all, how to create and all, and today we'll see meta arguments. Meta arguments. So this is also very very important. Meta arguments means so these are the meta arguments we can use. So today we are going to discuss meta arguments. What is this meta arguments? So meta arguments means there is a depends on, we can use anyone. So see here, depends on, count, per underscore each, provider, so life cycle. So these are the meta arguments. So depends on, and depends on, count, per underscore each, per underscore each. Next, what is this provider? That is the provider life cycle. Provider, and life cycle, life cycle. So these are the provider and life cycle. Now we'll see one by one how it will work. So first a simple one will come to count. So this is the one meta argument. This is the one meta argument, and there is a count. Count is the one meta argument. See, count is the meta argument defined by the Terraform language. It can be used with modules and with every resource type. Wherever you want, so wherever you want, so we can use it. See here, every resource we can use it. The count meta argument accept the whole number and create that many instances you want. So as of now, I created one instance, right? I created one instance. So I created one instance. So how to create instance? For example, resource and resource name. What is the resource name? AWS underscore instance. Correct? And so we are giving any name. This is right. So any name. For example, EC2. For example, test EC2. Whatever name we can. This is your local name, right? EC2. So under this, we need to create instance. What are main things we need? Anyone? If you want to create instance, at least what are this? AMI. Right? So AMI instance type. What is this? AMI. We are giving some AMI, right? AMI. we are giving some image, and so instance underscore type. Next, type. Already last class we created that same thing. So let's come to here. Mm, someone is join. Now I am going to create. So where is this? Here, right? I am going to create metadata meta arguments. Okay, meta underscore arguments. Uh, okay. Now just create one file. How to create file? Same only. Window R, and so notepad, wherever you want we can create, or go to this particular path, cmd, and notepad. I am using I am using main dot main dot main dot tf file, or anything whatever that is your wish. Tf extension should be tf. Now yes, uh, so first which block you need to add? Provider, right? Provider, and so provider name, what is the provider name? AWS. This is same only, already we discussed provider name. uh, so here how many arguments we need to pass? What is that? How many we need?
Region.
Region equal to AP south hyphen 1. Next, what we need?
Profile.
Profile. Right now I am using hard coding, access underscore key,
Yes.
access underscore key. Next, secret underscore key. Now got it? Secret underscore key. This two I need, or we can configure profile also. Now already we have access key, secret key, right? So where is that? You copied, right, Ramya? Web apps. Just I am copying already access key and secret key. So okay, so already here available. Just I am copying, I am coming to here, just I am pasting here. That's it. AWS access underscore key, and already I am in this is AWS is mandatory or no need? Okay, now leave it. uh, Now I need so EC2 instance. So we need to create one resource block, right? Now resource, and what is the resource name, and what is the local name? AWS underscore. If you don't have any, just go and type here AWS instance Terraform. So if you click on AWS instance Terraform, so everything already available here. Just copy and paste it. So where is this? This is I am copying same thing. I am copying same thing. I am copying here same thing only. So resource equal to AWS underscore instance, and we can use anyone. This is my instance. We can give any name. This is we can give any name. My instance, or web instance, or application instance. We can give anything. This is instance. AMI equal to. So how to call this AMI? So here they call it somewhere, right? Now how to call this AMI? Hard coding. So go to here, click on instance, and so select this one, and this is my AMI. I need so Linux mission. So that's it. So this is the Linux. Next, instance type. What you need? Instance underscore type. Which instance you want, guys? So this is the instance type. T2 micro. So
Micro.
T2 micro. That is your wish. T2 micro. T2 at T3. T2 micro is enough. I don't want T3. T2 micro. So this is the tags. Name equal to. So this is your tag name. So application app underscore instance anything. Okay, ins application instance, that's it. Now anyone any doubt here? This is right as of now, this is a provider block, this is a resource block. Just I given just I given only just I given only ami and instance, that's it. It will work. Now see here, go to here, and what is the first command?
Key name, sir.
Hmm?
Key name.
Just I'm showing, I am not connecting instance. Okay,
Okay, sir.
already you know right how to create key and all, already you know all these things. Just now terraform init command. So if you use terraform init command means what it will do, access key argument block defined required use, where it is line number 3 4 equal. Okay, we think something. Now got it. It is not allow colon, no, it is allow only equal. Okay, so save it. Now go to here, Terraform init. Okay, now it is downloading the related plugin, AWS related plugin. So 5.59 it is so downloaded. Now, now go to here, meta. What is this? Meta argument count. So for example, I need 5 instances. How we can create 5 instances at a time? If I run this, how many instances it will create default? If I run this script, how many instances it will create? Only one or two or three? Now I run this script,
Once.
only one, right? There is no doubt. See here, Terraform, Terraform validate. So now if you want to check any validation, check it. And so once validation is done, Terraform plan. Now allow Terraform plan. Next, Terraform plan. Now we can see what is your plan, how many resource, what is our plan. Now it will show. Now anyone guess it? Only one, only one. So one resource only, right? Now finally Terraform, Terraform, Terraform apply, Terraform apply. Now I'm going to create only one instance. I'm going to create only one. If you see here, right now I don't have anything. Right now I don't have anything. Now if I run this command, yes. So now go to here. See, creating one instance. How many instances? Only one. No, no, no. Suppose our requirement is I need 4 instances. I need 4 instances. I need 4 instances. Suppose if you need 4 instances, how it will work? Now go to here, just refresh it, just refresh it. See here, one instance is created. One instance. Now I'm going to do destroy. Now I'm going to do destroy. Des destroy command. Okay. Now how to use count? This is the one meta argument, guys. So this is the one meta arguments. Interval also, so many people they are asking. So how to create how to create multiple instance, they want some right. I want to add meta arguments, everything available here, you don't worry. So now if you go here, so this is the count is a meta argument defined by the Terraform language. It can be used with models and anywhere, any resource type we can use anywhere. And count metadata accepts whole number, how many you want to see, create that many instance of resource or model, how many resource instances you want to create, or how many models you want to create. We can mostly call resource and model section, we are using. This is the syntax. Count equal to 4, create 4 similar EC2 instances. I am using so same line, and go to my script. I am go to my script, just I am using here, that's it. I hope you got it right. Count. So here I am going to give count equal to, I am giving so right now two instance enough. See here, this is the meta arguments. This is the meta arguments. If you want to, we can add it. See here, this is the one. So meta argument. I added count equal to 4. Count equal to 4. Count equal 4. 4 means so create a same similar objects. Now this is my same, right? AMI equal to same AMI and instance equal to same, and same related, it will create two instances. Two instances. Now two instance. Now how to, if you want to every instance, if you want to give some separate tag name, so now I given this is right. If you want to give separate tag name, and so there is a, see here, count dot index. See here, in this block count is set, in additional count object is available in the expression. So distinct index number starting with 0. The count will starts with 0 only. The count will starts with 0 only. And if you want to use, so we can use this one. This is the count. This is the, see here, this is the I need. So server 1, whatever you want, we can give it. So now here I am giving, see, this is the server, this is the server, and whatever you want, we can give it. Server hyphen I need, for example, application server or web server. Okay, web server hyphen I need 1. And the second instance it will come to third instance. Index starts with where, 0 or 1?
Zeros.
Whatever you want, we can give it. For example, I am giving 3. So here first it will come 0, 1, 2. Like this it will come. There is nothing, everything available here only. I am not going to do anything. Just I am copying, paste it. But you need to know how to, where we can use this one count. This is the one meta argument. If you want to create similar same instances, how many you want to create? So just count equal to 3. And so if you want to use count dot index, count dot index, it will starts with the index will starts with 0 only, starting with 0 and corresponding to the instance. Now how it will work? Just run it. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt in this line? This is the one meta arguments. This is the one meta arguments count. So now I given 3. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am
Yes.
going to run. So now see here, Terraform validate. So Terraform validate. Enter, mostly they asked count only. Mostly they are asking count, how it will work. And they are asking, so now plan, now plan, and finally apply. Now check it how it will work. These all are very simple only, but we need to practice. Otherwise, we cannot remember all these things. Enter, apply. So now I'm giving so confirmation yes, or else we can use hyphen auto approve. That's it. So now I'm giving yes. Now see here, how many instance will create? Only one or three? Three instances. For every instance, what is the tag name? Web server hyphen 0, web server hyphen 1, web server hyphen 2. How I know, sir? How index will starts with? Index will starts with 0. So that and all
0.
everything they mention here API. Here the documentation. So based on this we can. Now see here. So one by one it will create. One by one it will create. See first instance still creating, and second one it will create, third one also it will create. Total resources only one resource block, right? That is the reason count only one. Now go to here, go to here. Just refresh it. Now you can see. So now click on EC2 dashboard. Which region? Same only, right? Mumbai only, right? Anything missing? Now instances, this is already terminated previous instance. Now wait, it is not saved properly. It is coming app instance means it is coming previous one, right? I given app instance app
So that notepad we didn't save. So
that is yes, save file, save. Now let me run. So apt validate. Now plan this and all every time, no need. If you want to, that is the best practice. I just I'm running. That's it. Terraform plan. Okay. Now apply. We apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. So auto approve means right. Now see here, 2 to add, 1 to change. 2 to add, 1 to change. What is this meaning, guys? 2 to add. Already one instance is available. Just it is changing. Only label name it is changing. That name is changing. Remaining 2 will be created. I hope you understand, right? 2 to add, 1 to change. What is this meaning? Anyone? రెండు క్రియేట్ అవుతా ఉంది న్యూగా, ఒకటి చేంజ్ అవుతా ఉంది. వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ గోయింగ్ టు చేంజ్?
Instance names.
Only tag name, correct. Instance name is changing. Already instance is available, same configuration, same setup. Remaining 2 are newly creating. Now total we can see count 3. Now total we can see count 3. So now let's come to here. Now just go to here. Now click on instance. Now see here. Click on instance. Now see here. So index starts with 0. Web server hyphen 0. That is count dot index. Count dot index means count I given 4. Count I given 4. And this is a 0, 1, 2. Total 3 count enough. Don't think. Confuse avadani ikkada. So here count equal to I given 4, right? Here count equal to I given COU. Count equal to I given 3. 3 means 0, 1, 2. That's enough. Now total count 3. Sir, for example, count default if we give 5 means it won't come like up to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 4 only. Now if you count how many? Now got it? The count starts from 0. Now this is less than count 5. That's it. Clear, guys? So that is the count metadata argument. So if you how to use count, if you want to use count, so like this we can use a resource block, or we can use anywhere wherever you want, so we can use it wherever you want, so we can use it. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go. So one more. Now one more already we see, right? So one more. One more means you let's go for each loop. For each loop means right? Even shell scripting also Sar explained, right? For each loop. For each means if we have multiple, how it will execute? Anyone? For example, నాకు ఒక 5 users create అవ్వాలి. 5 users. So 5 users మనకి AWS. Now if you come to here, enter. This is the enter question. One guy asked. Now if you go here, where is AMI? IAM, right? IAM. IAM. If you go to here, if you go to here, if you go to here, and right, users. Right, users. As of now, how many users, guys? Here, see, observe here. How many users available here?
3.
Only 3 users. So now metadata, there is one more argument. See here, meta arguments for each loop. See here, for underscore each. This is the syntax. For underscore each meta argument. So by default, resource block wherever we want we can configure. And so in this count and for each, we can use count and for each. Now what is the syntax? We'll see. Basic syntax. See here, for underscore each equal to map. We can use multiple ways. They are using map only here. And so or else we can use a to set also, or else we can use see, this is the source, this is the name, multiple ways. But main thing is each object for dot each dot key. This is the we need to understand. Each dot key means it will retrieve the elements, see, corresponding to this instance. Each dot value means it will come that value, it will come that value. Key and value, whatever you want, we can use it. Key means Key means it will come if you have only single string, it will come. If you pass map means that case we can use key dot, each dot value, each dot will. So limitation on the for each loop, how it will work and all, just we can check it. Now simply I am going to do, so I am going to create some users, right? So users, how to, that's it. Now let me create so for each loop. So for each loop means same thing. So if you want to user, I'm going to create one resource, resource resource name, whatever you want, we can give it, whatever you want we can give it, resource name. And so if you want to create any user and all, there is one resource is also available. What is that resource name? Aws this is IAM, right? aws aws underscore instance for users, iam iam underscore iam underscore user. So this is the, now see here, aws underscore iam underscore user resource block, everything available here only, just search it. Now see here, aws underscore iam user, and this is the name they are giving. And so this is where they are given. I am import, I don't know. Okay, anyway, I'm copying same thing only. I am copying the same thing only. This is enough for me. Remaining and all we can add it. That is our wish. Resource. So aws underscore ami underscore user. I am going to create user only, right? Copy this one and go to our task. Okay. I am going to create aws. I am going to uh, okay. So dev users. Okay. Dev underscore users. We can give any name. So here only we are going to change, here only we are going to change. There is multiple ways we can do it, right? So first come to for each loop. What is this? We are go to for each, right? aws now here already available, right? For each means we can use this way to, we can use map. I am using set, I am using set, guys. I am not going to use anything. I am going to use set only. I am going to use only set. I am going to use only set. This is the syntax. For underscore each equal to set. So here I am using, for example, dev user 1, dev user 2. So dev user 2 and test user 1, test user 1. I am using prod user 1. Whatever you want, this is a string only. These are the strings, user names. These are the strings. For underscore each equal to set. Set is nothing but it won't allow duplicate. Set is nothing but we won't allow duplicate. Even shell scripting also anywhere, even Java, shell scripting, Python, the rule is same only. Set it won't allow any duplicate. And if you want to print name equal to there is two, right? We can use each dot key or each dot value. If you have any map, if you have any map related, and that case we can use value. Now I don't have, this is map, this is the set, right? And directly I am using set each dot key. Confused on that? Simple. Now see here. So if you go here, there is two. How to retrieve that values? So see here, for underscore each is a set. It is additional each. Object is available in the expression. This is the object. Each is the object. In the object, so here this is the object name. This is my object. Each is the object name. In the object, we have four users. We have four users. We have four users. So how to get these users? Each dot key. Now first it will come dev user 1, dev user 2, dev user test user 1, test. Now got it? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes.
Anyone any doubt here? This is the syntax. Just we need to understand, try to understand. So far I am not writing my own anything here. Everything I am copying paste only. So these are very simple. So first understand basics. See here. So for underscore each, this is the one metadata arguments. And so this is the syntax to set This and all I am not doing anything. Just this is the syntax only we need to follow. There is no way. Okay, so this and all we can change it. We can pass any users. Here I passed four users. This is the string, this is the string, this is the string. Four users. How to read, how to get this so users, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. See here, each dot key. This is the map, and so each dot value, this is a match value corresponding the instance. If we have any map related, that case we can use this one. Right now directly I am calling each dot key only, each dot key only. This is the syntax, this is the syntax. I am using set only, I am using set only, I am using set. Name equal to each dot key. Now assigning to name, just wherever you want, so we can print it, so we can whenever if we need, so we can print it. Now go to here. What you need, what else we need? Clear? So I want to print, right? So how to print, guys? How to print? Spinner. Dollar. Anywhere, same only. Dollar, dollar, and we need to give, otherwise it won't work, right? This is the we need to follow. That's it. Clear? Even Ansible we are printing, shell scripting, wherever you want. This is the syntax, this is the syntax, this is the syntax. So now let me run how it will work. Now go to here. I don't have any users. See here, dev1 dev2 I don't have, so test user 1 I don't have, prod user 1. Okay, first let me run how it will work. Okay, now in this script, anyone any doubt? For underscore each to set, for underscore each to set, I am providing four users, I am provided four users, and name equal to, so here I given each dot. That's it. Yes or no? Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
terraform and validate. Now check it, is there any missing? Validate. Okay, terraform plan, terraform plan plan. Now already, so Terraform, right? What is the greatness of Terraform? This is idempotent, right? So if there is no changes, see here, why it is showing it is no changes? Anyone guess it at least? Actually, I added one resource, right? I created four users. Now it is showing no changes. Your infrastructure match the configuration. At least guess it. User anedi resource. This is only user. We are not going to create anything, right? This is only just user. I am not going to create any EC2, VPC, subnet key. Now see here, no changes. Now let me run. Okay, apply hyphen auto approve. Now go to here, saved or not? Refresh it. Mhm. Now anything missing? A tags also no need. This is not optional. Name, first let it be. I modified, right? Okay, first let it be same. I am not going to do save. Control S, first save it. Whether it will save it or not, I don't know. Now check it. Plan. Now it will come, right? Only users. Now see here, dev users. Now this one, now this one, now this one, 4. Now it is working. Now just run it. Auto approve, that's it. Now just refresh it. Now we can see 4 users. Now we can see 4 users. Now we can see completed, apply 4 added. Now refresh it. Now see here, dev 1, dev 2, prod user 1, one more user, test user 1,
Test user.
test user. Now got it, right? Very simple only. First you need to understand syntax. This is also one meta arguments. This is also one meta arguments in Terraform for each loop. So now I use set. Set means it won't allow duplicate. Now see here. Now I'm going to modify my script whether it will allow or not. Let me check it. I'm using same. Okay. Now save it first. Mostly it is not saving, right? Save it. Now apply. Now apply plan. Now it is refreshing and see here. So nothing to change, right? Now I'm changing to one more user. So I'm using, see here, save. Now this is the new name, right? But this already same name available. Now how it will work? First save properly and we'll check it. Plan. Now got it, right? What is set? Set means two set I used, right? Two set means it won't allow. ఏం చేది
Duplicates.
it won't allow duplicates. ఇక్కడ నేను ఇంకొక యూజర్ని యాడ్ చేశాను ఈవన్ if I add one more user it won't consider. Now I added one more user, now it is considering. Okay, so here we need to understand set doesn't allow duplicate. Set doesn't allow duplicates. Okay, now if you want to run just run it. If you want to run just run it. Apply hyphen auto hyphen up hyphen auto up. Now so only one user will create pati user and so this user it won't create this user it won't create. Now if you want to we can check it. Now see here, it is refreshing, only one is added. Now go to here, where is that? Here, just refresh it. Now whether it will come 2 or 1. Now see here, pati only created, dev only one user. Do you have any duplication here?
No.
No, so that is the we need to understand. So remaining and all, if you want to, we can map. Map means key and value. See here, this is the map, key and value. So this is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. We need to use two map. This is the key and this is the value. This is the key and map. We need to use two map. That's it, nothing. So key dot each dot key means it will come this one. Each dot value means it will come this one. That's it. Same only syntax will change. This is the two map, this is the two set. Whatever you want we can use it. Okay, now see here, two set assets media source equal to here, they are giving bucket name also, whatever remaining and all same. I hope you got some idea, right, how to use for each loop. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, next go to one more. What is another one? So for each you know, right, what is other one? Other one. We can use life cycle. We can use, so this is the life cycle. This is very, very important, enter purpose also. Life cycle. And depends on means, so depends on, so this is also simple. We can use it. Which one we go for? This is very, very important. We'll see next class. Next come to depends on. Next come to depends on. This is also one meta arguments. This is also one meta arguments. So now come to here. Depends on. See here. Depends on meta argument. See this, use the depends on meta argument to handle hidden resources or model depends that Terraform cannot automatically enter. So simply understand, depends on means I hope everyone know. అంటే ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది ఇది? అట్లీస్ట్ గెస్ ఇట్. డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్. ఇప్పుడు మనకు జాబ్ లేదనుకో, డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్. హలో, వినిపిస్తా ఉందా వినిపించలేదా?
Yes, sir. Audible.
డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్. డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ అంటే ఇంకో దాని మీద, ఇంకొకరి మీద ఏం చేయడం?
Depend on.
డిపెండ్ అంటే ఆధారపడడం. అంటే అది ఉంటేనే ఇది క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్. 1 minute, I will back. Okay, sorry. Now where are you? Depends on, right? Now go to here. Depends on means, so depends on the another resource. See here, depends on meta argument to handle hidden resource or model dependencies. Now if we see here, processing and planning consequent use case depends on, you can use depends on metadata argument in models or any resource, and this is the syntax. Now see here. So they are creating so resource AMI role and example they give a name equal to example, and so they are giving some, they are giving something, depends on, they didn't give more. Okay, so now depends on expression. There is a depends data resource. Let me open. Is there any example? Local Nova. So, okay, now come to here. We are going to create so one resource. Now I'm going to create one VPC or anything, whatever you want. So how can say depends on. So as of now, I created only one region, right? So now I created instance or I created all this. Where I created this all these things?
Episode.
Only AP South. Now I'm going to create so two different regions. For example, I want to create so one VPC two regions. So as of now, I am in as of now I am in EC2. I am in south. I am in south. I am in south. I am in Mumbai region. I am going to create one resource. I am going to create one resource, and so based on this same, I want to create another region also. Another region also. Now clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? So now, so here I am using one, right? So here I am using provider block. So a region I mentioned, which region I need to create? AP South.
Yes, sir.
100% it will create which region? Mumbai only. There is no doubt. Now see here, I am going to one more or something, whatever you want, provider. So I want to create another region also. See here, provider provider name, remaining story same only, remaining story is same only. And so if I give same like this, if I give same, if I give same like this, now see here, if I give same like this, what is the east code? US,
East
Mumbai,
icon
okay,
one. It
USA.
means in North
US
Virginia.
East 1, US East 1, or anything we can take it. US West, US East 1, 2, 3. I am taking here US East, East 1. Okay, I am taking East 1. So now if I give like this, now there is some problem. What's the problem? We'll see. Save. I am running same thing. Terraform plan. Now see here, duplicate provider configure. What is the problem here? Hey, already you configure one provider. Again, we are trying to configure one more provider. But here my requirement is, so now I want to connect with another region. I want to connect with another region. I want to connect with another region, and I want to create so same setup or whatever you want. That is our wish. Now if I give like this, it is scolding. It won't accept. It won't accept. It won't so accept. So for this case, we need to give one more. We need to give one more name, one duplicate name, like right, alias name. Alias name means, for example, Shivakumar, right? Shortly we are calling some name, right? How we are calling alias? This is the main alias, and we can give any name, and we can give any name. So alias name means, so that is one or two people have one or two names, right? Now got it. అర్థమవుతుందా? I given US East or whatever name we can give it. For example, so DevApps, I given DevApps. So now I given same here also one reason, two providers, right? Here duplicate. Now I am avoiding. So for this provider, I'm adding one alias name. Alias equal to DevApps I given some name. Now try to see. Execute means now I don't have any error. Now I don't have any error. Earlier it is duplicate provider configure, right? So you see here, do we have anything? No, right? So no errors. Now how to use it? See here, duplicate. Earlier we have provided configuration. Now see line number, multiple configuration are required, set to alias name. It is saying like clearly information. Hey, you are configure so two providers, two regions, but we didn't mention any alias name. That is the ambiguity, confusion. Now I am giving alias name. Alias name means, see here, alias argument for the alternative configuration. Alias is nothing but alternative configuration. So now I added alias name, so DevApps. Now there is no confusion. So this is the main one, and for this provider I added one alias name, DevApps. Now how to use, how to call it? Mm. Now I want to create one VPC. Just VPC, very simple, right? I hope everyone know. Resource, resource name. What is the resource name? AWS underscore VPC, and local name. We can give any name. That is, this is one is east and one is south, right? First I am giving south, okay, and so VPC underscore south or Mumbai. I given, and same way one more, and same way I am going to create one more VPC, another region. This is the US, right? US East. That's it.
East one.
East one. Okay. East one. This is the Mumbai only, right? East one. Now come to here. How to create so VPC, guys? Tell me what is this? CIDR underscore block. CIDR block equal to what is the IP you want? Tell me. 10 dot
10. 0.0.
10 dot whatever you want, 0 dot, so 0 dot 0 slash 16.
Slash 16.
That's it, right? And tag, I'm not going to add anything. Tags tags equal to, and so what is your tag name? So for this I am giving my tag name equal to, we can give any name. Okay, this is VPC underscore Mumbai, and same thing I am copying. I am not going to change anything. And so here CA block I am giving so 20 dot. Okay, or I am giving so 10 dot, and I am giving so 10 dot. Okay, here I am starts with 10, here 10 dot 10 dot I start so if you have any confusion, whatever you want we can give. Now got it. Here series start with 10 dot 10, here series start with 10 dot 0. That's it. Name equal to US, US East 1, US East 1, US East 1. Now got it. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Now if I run, is it work? Save, file, save, file, save. Now see here. Now see here. There is two, right?
Okay.
Now depends on where right now we didn't use any depends, right? Now, so this and all I want to use where this is a Mumbai, this is wherever you want we can add it. Now I am using depends. Now I am using provider equal to provider, equal to, and so we are need to use AWS dot provider name dot. What is your alias name I given? Alias name.
Depth.
That's it. See here. So this and all it is creating which region? I given alias name. Which region? See here provider equal to,
It's
so that's it. Anything missing? Come to here. Anything missing? One more thing also we need to add it. So this is okay. We need to add this one also. So now I'm coming to here. Where is our EC2? I am adding here. This is main. This is main. Depends on. Depends on. Depends on. Now tell me depends on. So what I need to add here? Depends on AWS. They are giving so this one, right? Now what I need to add here? In the example they added this one, right? Already AWS underscore AMI role policy example. This is our resource name. They given so this name how they are adding so AWS AMI role dot policy, right? Now I am going to use which one? AWS AWS. Hmm. Which one I need to add? AWS name. What is the name here I given? Depends on. Where is that? Mumbai. This one. Which one we need to add? AWS underscore VPC underscore VPC. Next this one. Now clear. How we are calling this resource? AWS underscore VPC dot your VPC name. That's it. See here, AWS underscore VPC dot your VPC name. How they are calling same way. See here, they are giving. So they are following that pattern. AWS underscore AMI underscore role underscore policy. This is the resource name. Where is that policy? See here, this is the resource name dot example. Now my case, so this is the, that's it. Clear? Anyone any doubt guys here? We need to add extra this one. So depends on east or Mumbai.
Mumbai, sir.
We need to use Mumbai, right? Mumbai. That's it, right? Remaining same on all are
VPC underscore Mumbai, sir.
correct. That
Yes, sir.
Mumbay. Mumbai. That's it. Now save it. Now how it will work? That's it. Okay. Go to here and so Terraform plan reference unclear resource aid provider AWS dot DevOps. DevOps is not been declared in the root model. We are missing. DevOps is not declare here. We only declare right. AWS dev provider alias name dev apps. Spelling correct or not? Anything missing? Providers provider only right? Provider I given AWS dot DevOps alias name I given depends on provider name VPC East I given this one. Mm, 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 mm. East I declare right.
VPC underscore Mumbai dot ID once.
ID missing dot
Dot ID, please.
idea.
ID.
Reference depends on first we'll come to this is AWS, this is okay, right? And also we need to add one more depends on mm, mm, mm. or I need to elastic some other things also we can add it. Let me come depends on Mumbai East one. DevOps is not declare. If it is now go to we need to add one more also. Mm, mm, okay, they declare this one and this is okay. Depends on AWS my profile role example dot how they are calling. This is one resource AMI underscore role example instance role example. There is multiple ways we can use it. Here I am using a different way or directly I can call another one. How I can call another one? Depends on means so before creating so we can add elastic IP. So like this also we can use it. Like this also we can use it. Also we can depends something we missed. Depends on Terraform. Terraform example. Example. Here everyone they are using same only. Same example. Now this is the but depends on so they are using VM. Okay, resource name group on disk depends on ST. ST means resource. This is ST. VM mission. Or we can use elastic IP. Simply we can use it. AWS elastic elastic IP Terraform. This is very simple, right? Before creating so elastic IP instance equal to AWS instance at web.id and see here internet gateway. Wherever we want we can use it. That is difference way. This way also we can use it. I use a different way. This is very simple. We can easily understand. Let me copy. I am using new file. New. Where is this new file? Open save. Oh, okay. Control S. Go to meta arguments. What's time now? 8 8. Okay. Anyway, next class I will show you. So just something is missing. So we need to check where that is missing, or I need to add extra one resource. Just try it. I will share this one, or else I will also check it. Clear, guys? Hello.
Yeah, clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just try it. I will also look it. Just Google it. Just that's it. Maybe something we are missing. I don't know where we are missing. I need to check it. Or else this is very simple. They are creating subnet, and instead of creating subnet, they are using depends on internet gateway. So before they are creating so EC2 and so VPC, they are creating internet gateway. They are using depends on multiple ways we can use it. I try different way, but these people they are giving different way. Okay, anyway, I will show you next class. If you have time, just try it. Clear, guys? You already reached, right? To
Yes.
go school. Okay, thanks everyone. I'm stopping here. We'll see continuation tomorrow.